this video, the supply demand 10x strategy, my favorite strategy, and the reason for that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So when we have a signal with a strong close, so for a red signal, we want the close to be very close to its lows of the candle, so the lower quarter of the entire range. Now when we have that, we know with good probability that the middle point of the body of the candle is going to act as good resistance, and you can use that really as a guiding point. So as long as we don't close above this level, we're basically in a bearish scenario, and we see that this buy signal here indicating only a possible pause because it's not a strong close. So we're at support, we have a buy signal, we might see a pop up, but if you took this buy here, as soon as you saw this stronger sell signal, I would look to reverse the position. Now the supply level, we have a nice entry. If we put our limit order here, we can just trail that down using, for example, my EMA 8 trading stop loss strategy, which I explained in another video. But I mean, just analyzing, like if you put your stop loss above here, this is a 10 risk reward ratio trade, and that's why I named it 10x, because I look for 10 risk reward ratio trades mainly when I trade a system. Now at these bottoms here, we have buy signals, and we see that we're not really respecting the demand level, which indicates us that this is probably just a pause in the trend, and we might see a pop up, so a retrace. Now a logical area where the retrace is going to stop is the 50% Fibonacci, and we see we stop right there. And as soon as we have the signal firing, you could enter based on that. Basically you're at resistance, you're in a downtrend, plus you get the signal giving you confirmation that there's selling. If you missed the early entry here, you can still use the supply level, and we see that 2 candles after this closed, so next one and the one after that, you get the supply limit entry and a nice move down from that as well. So now we have this buy signal here respecting the demand level, so this gives you some information that we're probably going to see some kind of move up, and if I'm not mistaken, this is probably at the fibs as well, so giving you an indication that we're still in a downtrend, and we see that we have the supply level here as well, showing you really why I love this strategy, why I love trading with 10x trading signals, giving me extra confirmation based on price action, trends and level strategies I've been using for years, which is what I coded into this system. So when you really learn how to use this system, that's when you start seeing some amazing results. I use it every day, hundreds of members use it and see really good results with it. Is it a get rich quick thing? No, you can't just blindly take signals, you still need to do some analysis. But looking from this chart here, as long as we stay below and don't close above this supply level, I'm looking for move down, probably moving down below these lows here. So this is the Nasdaq 100 1-hour chart, and this is how I use 10x trading system, and especially how I use my supply demand 10x strategy.